naga Jingbthei ki Krem ti Dewiong ki balati Krem ga Jingdon ni Jingyo bor lene ki belong Beain kablaja ha ka Thangsku ha is Jingbthei Hills district kablaja ha ka santrik urumpang arjar arpohon reu ha ka por khatwe beje ai mensngi khat prangut ki breu ki laklat bat wei bala mensaujur ubaladon mentah hajaka ajing sumar Myntri rang ba Sorkar jela konrad ke sangma habekren halor kene ke jingja ulong bagane ke Krem ti Dewiong Beain kadon kham shaba jangai naga headquarter lane ke nongba jongot district bat ke jangai kumba arpusan kilometer ai bat ru ke surok kalong ke bakhoru khoram bat ke bahab bania tang daki keli ki baklan namar ke jing khoru khoram ke surok Myntri rang ba ulong balada ban Bthah ya ki arngut ke Myntri Sorkar ke bakenthop ya ba lakmen rumboi baruma wailat miki sila ban Shimkhia ban le ya ka berankam na ka benta kini ke jingja ha ka bauloong ba ka anhi kan sele ya ka kam na ka benta ki badon kti ban le ya ketika kam ti Dewiong Beain na ketika than.
We had a very tragic incident that took place in East Jingbthei Hills where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Ngut, Thangsku area in East Jingbthei Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Yalong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnel from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakmen Rumbui and Mr. Wailat Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You are aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time, individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself, but this is the information that we have as of now. So I thought I will share that with you.